Yeah, they don't look the best today. I need to give myself a whore bath. Who's ready for a whore bath? Whore bath, whore bath, whore bath. You all know how to give yourself a whore bath at work? I'm about to show you.
I don't know you work today, baby.
Oh yeah, I work every day apparently. Gunner, please tell me you're still here.
Monday usually you work in the fish shop.
Yeah. No, I already told Keisha she can have any shifts of mine. Don't nobody want them though.
Let me see what my dentist is saying, okay?
About Friday?
Yeah. I have to call tomorrow.
Gunner, are you here? What'd I say? Don't be upset. What'd you say? I didn't even see it. It was just like, God, someone's coming in. Everyone's gone. Hold on. Thanks. How y'all doing today? Steak and shake. 11. Yep. Yep, every day we serve it till 11. You're welcome. Bye. Yep, it's 11, right?
Yeah.
Good, because that's what I told him. You want to see Chrissy? Her fucking crazy, stupid ass is here. I wonder if she'll get me some food. Because a bitch is hungry. Chloe! Hi. How are you? I didn't know you were coming in. How are you? Say hi. 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 That's miniature Chrissy. How you been today? Are you sleepy? I can tell you're sleepy. You're just hugging me. You work at 3?
Yeah.
Well, I won't be here. Nah.
Where's your other friend?
What other friend, Jocelyn?
Y'all want to,
She's at her house. She's sleeping.
I gotta go get Gavin one more thing and get some right.
Hi, hi. Huh?
Lucky.
What? I don't have long enough sleeves.